nervous. I don't know why. Like, what is wrong with me? Wow, okay, I see that. Oh, I see my name. Will you look at this? We have a whole slime world up in here. So colorful. Look at all this. I mean, hello, it's a gummy bear. So I'm obviously not in my normal setup today. I mean, I could never do something like this on my own. This video is actually sponsored by Google. We teamed up together to make this amazing larger than life slime room. I'm honestly shaking because this is so cute. So thank you to the Google team for helping me put this amazing room together. They really made my vision come to life. And today I have my Google Assistant to help me make the biggest Floam slime ever. Look at these big old lava lamps. Like, honestly, how do you even find these? This mixer is giving me life. I have never seen such a cute mixer in my whole life. I'm honestly shook right now. I'm so excited right now, guys. I'm actually so excited. Look at this room. Everybody's on a stretcher. This is the cutest room I've ever seen in my life. This could be my bed. Okay, honey, I could literally live in this. My Google Assistant is gonna be my new man. I mean, I'm moving in. It's happening. Let's do this. Hey, Google, it's slime time.
Showing your photos.
Oh my god. I mean, hello, look at that cactus. The lights. You guys, I have inspo pictures here. How cute is this? The video's playing. I mean, Raul could never. So cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. Everything around me is lit up. Me in a room. Literally me just everywhere. I'm ready to make some slime. Let's do this. I feel like I'm talking to a human being right now. Like, I'm kind of getting a connection with my Google Assistant. I think I have a crush. But before we begin, I need to get lit like these lava lamps behind me. Hey Google, order my usual from Starbucks. How about that?
All right, ordering a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks.
I love you! I love you! All right, let's get into it. Let's make a giant Floam slime. That mixer ain't here for nothing, honey. Who has a mixer like this? This is so cute. Let's play a little game. Hey Google, play this or that.
It's time for this or that. I'll give you 2 wacky choices. All you have to do is choose. If you had to pick, would you have secret magic powers or be famous for something ordinary?
Oh my god. Have secret magic powers. For sure.
Maybe you secretly have powers already. New question.
You're right.
Go to the dentist or go to the doctor.
Oh, I hate both.
Have dinner with Belle or have a sleepover with Simba?
Oh my god. Have a sleepover with Simba.
I bet you do a lot of lying around. Travel the world or travel to your best friend's house.
Travel the world with my best friend.
Have a head the size of a grape.
Okay,
or
Google,
have a head the size.
stop. I need to get back to work, honey.
Are you sure you want to quit?
Yeah, I'm sorry, boo. All right, let's make some activator. We are using the borax method. There's like a million different activators, but my favorite one is the borax one. I'm pretty sure it's a detergent. Actually, hey Google, what is borax?
According to Wikipedia, borax, also known as sodium borate, sodium tetraborate, or disodium tetraborate, is an important boron compound, a mineral, and a salt of boric acid.
Wow. Sounds scientific. You don't want to add this into your glue until everything dissolves in here. Perfect. Let's work our magic. Ooh, okay, we got that poured in. Hey Google, turn on the mixer.
You got it, turning on the mixer.
Okay, so while my Google Assistant is making this batch, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and make a batch on my own too, because we gotta get it going. We got a lot of slime to make. I love clear slime, it's so pretty. I need to add some lotion. Even the spatulas are adorable. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. You know what? This is too small for me. How about this? This is what I'm talking about. Oh my god, I'm making a mess already. I'm destroying the beautiful room. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You guys, everything is huge in here. I feel like a witch with my brew. Like, this is so cool. Hey Google, turn off the mixer.
Turning the mixer off.
Thank you, sweetie. I feel like I'm making a cake or something. More activator while I'm at it. Hey Google, turn on the mixer.
Sure, turning the mixer on.
Amazing. Back to me making it. I should have just had Google make all of it. Let's add some beads in here. Make it nice and colorful. Nice spot beads. Let's add some beads. Wait, is this all the beads I have? Hey Google, add some beads to my shopping list. Thank you.
Okay, I added some beads to your shopping list.
This looks like a giant bowl of cereal. Oh my gosh. It looks so pretty. Ooh, the slime is coming together. Let me add some beads to that one. It's a little hard keeping up with both. Oh my god. I'm coming, honey. This is, you know what? It's hard two-timing your man. I need to go put beads in the other one too. Hey Google, turn off the mixer.
Sure, turning the mixer off.
Amazing. Hey Google, turn on the mixer.
Sure, turning on the mixer.
Honestly, doing this by hand is just a lot. Ooh, we could add more beads? It's like a little slime factory up in here right now. We're adding everything, honey. We're going in. Okay, this is actually amazing. Hey Google, turn off the mixer.
You got it, turning off the mixer.
Slow down, honey. It doesn't even look that big in this giant bowl, but it's just so much. This is always the messy part, just getting your hands in there, just kneading everything. Okay, this ring is always getting in this slime. Hey Google, remind me to go to the jeweler's.
Okay, go to the jeweler's.
I need to take
When
this
do you
off.
want to be reminded?
Tomorrow?
Alright, what time?
3 p.m. sounds great. Ooh, I need some activator in here.
Hey, Karina, you Starbucks.
Oh.
It's
Hold
okay.
on. It's getting messy. You know what? I'm kind of thinking like, can I just put it in the mixer? Because that's why I have my Google Assistant. Why am I getting my hands dirty? I could just throw this in the mixer and have it make it on its own. I mean, this is too messy right now. I think it's ready. Let's feel it up a little bit. It needs to mix a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. It looks a little bit overactivated, but it's fine. I'm gonna throw this one in the mixer, have it be like a little less activated, and then when we mix it all together, it's all gonna make sense. Let's take this and get the slime out of the mixer. All right. Oh my god, this is like so thick right now. Okay. This is actually really heavy. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Whoa, that's a big batch. Jesus,
Yeah.
what's going on? It's all gonna come together.
It's all set, Karina. Just close it up and make sure you go.
All right, let's close it up. Hey Google, turn on the mixer.
Sure, turning on the mixer.
Oh my god, look at all this. I am making a mess everywhere right now. How pretty is this? Oh my god. It's so thick right now. Look at all these beads, guys. It's so cute. So when you make clear slime, you activate it and then it gets this like fogginess to it. But it's actually gonna sit for, it's like if you let it sit for a few hours, it starts to clear up. It gets really pretty and super crunchy and just amazing. But we're just gonna keep adding beads because the more beads, the crunchier. Let's just add all of it in, honestly. I'm just gonna add everything. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wait a minute. This is amazing. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Where do I begin? This is so cute. Oh my god, I want all of it. Tastes like glue. Pearls? Okay. This is like a unicorn explosion. Pour this into a container because this is actually gonna be easier. I should have thought about this earlier. Because then when it's closed and I'll be able to pour it in while it's closed. Hey Google, turn on the mixer. Wow. I feel like I'm a hot mess by now, but somebody stop me, I can't. This is a workout. Oh my god. I made a mess. Okay, honey. Oh my god, let's not break the lava lamps. Hey Google, clean up this mess. So cute. Queen of trash. Let's just take that slime out and let's just combine them together.
Okay.
Okay, here, put it on the table. I want to make like one giant mountain.
Here it is.
All right. Whoa. Okay, let's get this big one out. So cute. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I want to lay on it. But I'm not going to. Here, let's just a little bit more. I think my slime is done. Look at this slime, it's so huge. Let's get a picture with it. Hey Google, my slime is done. Okay, we got the fan going, the light. Okay, I'm like a model right now. Slime-o. So much slime. Oh, this feels amazing after a long day of mixing slime. Come through, my Google Assistant. It was getting a little hot in here. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. It's so thick. This is like huge. This is gonna be gorgeous once it sets. It already looks so pretty. My Google Assistant and I made a baby, and this is her. What would you name our child? She's a thick one for sure. We love a thick queen. She's a handful for sure. Just like mama. Oh my god. So when you make clear slime, you're gonna let it sit. Sometimes you even let it sit up to like a week to completely clear up. But I have some tips and tricks for you guys. If you want your slime to clear up fast, you can put it by a window, like, or even in the sun. If you put this in the sun for like 2 hours, it's gonna clear like really quick. And it also melts down a little bit. So when you make clear slime, I always overactivate my clear slime, and that's why it's so thick right now, because when it sits for a while, it starts to melt a little bit. And then the final product is gonna be super clear, the perfect consistency, stretchy, and absolutely beautiful. I'm taking my Google Assistant home with me. It's not gonna just go home with me, honey. It's gonna be on my phone. It's coming everywhere with me. I'm telling you, that's my new man. This is making my life so much easier, and I'm about to use this every single day. Comment down below and share on all your social media platforms how you use your Google Assistant with a hashtag #HeyGoogle. I made my slime with my Google Assistant. If you wanna know how to make your slime with your Google Assistant, click the link down below in the description box. So thanks again to Google for sponsoring this video. This room, everything, it's freaking slime heaven. I couldn't be more grateful. Everything is so beautiful. This is so cute. I can't wait to take my slime home. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this giant crunchy Floam slime video in this giant larger than life slime world. That was a long one. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in a way more basic setting next time. Bye.